Hi everyone, here's an unboxing of an original Nintendo 64 console. Just a quick view of around the outside of the box. I remember when these first came out, a lot of people complained about the controllers for them. It took a little bit to get used to, a little bit knowing where to hold them and to use them. Super Mario 64 would be my all-time favourite game on the 64. The graphics are so unreal. Don't have the original bags for the console and controller, but what I've got is pretty good. Still got all the original books and manuals that came with it. The original poster as well, it's pretty cool, this poster. I think I've got a few of them. They also came with some of the games and that. Bit of a few pictures there of some of the games that comes out, and also the original Game Boy as well. Pretty cool as well. Both the console and controller are in awesome condition. Thanks for watching everyone. Hopefully you did like it. Maybe check out some of my other videos as well. Thank you.